In today's video, we will be preparing vegetable pulao. It is a very easy and healthy rice preparation with full of vegetables and spices. This recipe is a very popular main course dish. Now I will walk you through the process of making this delicacy. Hi, welcome to Daily Recipes. Now let's start the procedure. Firstly, let's prepare the masala, for which we will blend some ingredients. Now to a mixer, add 5 to 6 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, some fresh coriander, mint, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, one tablespoon garam masala and salt to taste. Blend all this into fine paste and keep aside. I am doing this in a pressure cooker, so add in 4 to 6 tablespoons of oil, or if you prefer, ghee can be used instead. When the oil is hot, add cinnamon, star anise, 3 to 4 cloves, 4 to 5 peppercorns, 2 green cardamom, few bay leaves, fennel seeds and 4 to 5 cashews. Once they are fried, add onions and fry till golden brown. To which add green peas. When green peas are soft, add cubes of potato and saute for few minutes. Then to which add preferred vegetables of your choice. Here I am adding carrot and French beans. Once the veggies are parboiled, add mint to your desire. Wait for the mint to leave its flavor and add blended mixture to the same. Please consider the water added for blending and finally add cauliflower. I am adding cauliflower at the end because it takes the least time to cook. Add curd at this stage and then 1 cup soaked rice. I have soaked rice for about 15 minutes. Once the rice is added and mixture starts boiling, add the remaining water. Here I am adding 1 cup of water at this stage as I have used half a cup for blending. I have used a little less water than usual because I want the pulao to be grainy instead of mushy. Once the mixture comes to boil, add 1 tablespoon lemon extract for the hint of sourness. Cover the pressure cooker lid, wait for the cooker to steam and then add the cooker weight. Cook for 2 whistles and serve hot with raita when pressure releases. Try this recipe today and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. For more ideas on how to cook delicious meal in 30 minutes or less, make sure you subscribe to this channel. By clicking on the bell button, you will be the first one to be notified. This encourages us to upload videos like this regularly. Hit the like button if you like it. Comment below what you would like to see in the upcoming days. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.